Okay, hi kindergartners. The last time I saw you, we were working on an animal unit, and so I want to continue that. So today we're going to focus on ocean animals. We're going to do a little bit of dancing, a little bit of moving, and we're going to explore 3 ocean animals. Please move with me, and you can follow along, or you can make up your own dance moves and whatever you want, but as long as you're moving, that's what I really want. I have my drum with me, so we're going to kind of do this in the style of the game we play in class, the freeze check game. Do you remember freeze check? Freeze check. Stand tall, arms by your side. Good, and you're frozen like a popsicle. Let's get started. Let's just go right in. So the first animal we're going to explore is crabs. So we're going to pretend we're crabs on the beach. Can I see you walking sideways like a crab? Sideways. And then try going the other way. Good. Turn to the side and go backwards. Walk sideways like a crab backwards. You can go really fast. Or a little bit slower. Show me your pinchers. I can't do the pinchers. You show me the pinchers. Do the pinchers. Good. Try your crab really fast. And really slow. Good. Show me those pinchers. I want to see everyone's hands. Can I see your pinchers? Don't pinch anyone. How else can you pinch? Can you pinch with your elbows maybe? Can I see you pinch with your elbows? Nice. Can you pinch with your knees? You pinch with your knees? Ooh. Ooh, maybe someone can pinch with their feet. Pinch, pinch. Because we're crabs, we want to show our pinchers, yeah? You can pinch with all different kinds of body parts. Ooh, let's try the classic crab walk. So what does that look like? You're on all fours, but you're facing the ceiling. Can you go sideways? Can you go back and forth? Try the crab walk. Just try it. Let's see what happens. Can you hold yourself up? This one's kind of tricky, I know. Keep trying the crab walk. Try the crab walk. Good. And freeze check. Let me see who's ready. You should be standing tall. Like a popsicle, you are frozen. Okay, the next animal we are going to explore is the jellyfish. So can I see you with your jellyfish arms? Can you make them be loosey-goosey? Do a little jiggle with your arms, maybe your legs. Because jellyfish, they don't have any bones. Can I see you make your whole body jiggle and wiggle like a jellyfish? Ooh, I see some people, you can wiggle your head. You can jiggle your arms. You can jiggle your legs. Good. What else do jellyfish do? Jellyfish can float. They're pretty slow moving, and they like to float in the water. Can you float one foot in the air? Float. Good. Can you float your other foot? Ooh, you're moving so slow. We're all floating like a jellyfish. Good. You know what else jellyfish do? They sting. Can I see you sting? Sting with your hands. Sting. But don't sting anyone near you. Can you sting with your hands? Like your hands are the stingers of the jellyfish. Ooh, good. Can you sting with your feet? Let me see you sting with your feet. Sting, 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 sting. Maybe sting with your nose. Sting, sting, sting. Good. You're all such great jellyfish. And freeze check. Standing tall, ready to go for the next animal. We're going to explore the shark. Let's do some chomping. Because sharks have really big mouths, and they like to eat things like fish. Let me see you chomp. Use your arms to chomp. You can also use your elbows to chomp. Ooh, yeah, see, that's a little different. Can you chomp down really hard? Good. Keep chomping. Good job, sharks. Okay, let's see. Can I see some sharks that dart? Can you dart across the room? Dart. So dart means you go really fast. Really fast. Let me see my sharks. Can you dart backwards or dart in a zigzag backwards and then dart forward in a zigzag? You can also dart straight. Dart. Good job, sharks. You're so scary. Keep darting. Good. Okay, last one we're gonna do as our sharks is jump. Because sometimes you see sharks jump out of the water. Can I see everyone jump sideways, jump sideways, jump sideways. Good. Jump forward, forward, and then jump back, back. Whoa, that one was hard. Try again. Jump forward, and then jump back. Ooh, good job. Let's jump. One more, really big jump. Ready? Start all the way down low like you're at the bottom of the ocean. And we're gonna jump as high as we can. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jump! Oh my gosh, that was so high. You jumped out of the water. Let's try. Last one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jump! Oh, that was a big splash when you came down. Excellent job, sharks. Freeze, check. Very good job. I saw so many different crabs, jellyfish, and shark actions. So remember that. Try to remember all the different actions that we just did for all 3 animals. Good job.